Let's dive into Python basics, classes, modules, and packages with an in-depth explanation of each concept. A class in Python is a blueprint for creating objects. Objects are instances of classes and represent real-world entities with attributes and methods. Python supports object-oriented programming, which makes it a flexible and powerful language for building complex systems. Python defines a class using the class keyword. Attributes, variables that belong to an object, like name. Methods, functions that belong to an object, like speak. A module is simply a Python file, .py, that contains definitions and statements. You can import a module into another script. A package is a collection of modules in a directory. A package typically contains an __init__py file. Python comes with a vast standard library that includes modules for math, file I/O, networking, and more. You can use these without writing any code yourself. Python uses a robust error handling mechanism with try, except, else, and finally blocks to catch and manage exceptions. The finally block runs no matter what, even if an exception occurs. Python is designed to be readable and easy to use, with simple syntax and powerful structures like lists, dictionaries, and classes. It also supports modularity via modules and packages, error handling, and object-oriented programming, making it an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike.